Welcome to day 22's Build Habit session. You have to focus on everyday phrases. That is, every day you can collect few phrases and note it down in your notebook or some notepad or even in your mobile phone and read it again and again and learn common phrases like how is it going or WhatsApp for casual conversations, all based on casual conversations. No, so you can look into that and get each like one phrase one day and make it a practice of doing it for 2 3 months. And you will get so much of phrases to use. That is what the activity for today. All the best and do it without any delay. On day 22, you have given again 6 new words with its meanings and usages, but one speciality is there for today's words. What is it? They are all verbs. Simply verbs? No, it's not simply verbs. It is all related to kitchen things, kitchen activities or kitchen actions. And the first one is chop. Chop means to cut food or vegetables or something into small pieces and make it suitable for cooking. Example sentences are: can you chop the onions for the curry? Sure, I'll do it right away. One person is like, it might be the chef is asking that, can you chop the onions for the curry? And the other person is replying, sure, I'll do that in a while or in a right way. I'll do that. And the next sentence is, I always chop vegetables before cooking to save time. That's a smart habit. Most of our houses, most of our mothers will be doing this. No, if you want to go for school or office next day, they will be cutting the vegetables and necessary items and putting it in a clean box in the fridge, and they will be using it accordingly. So that makes cooking so easier. Now the next word is bake. Bake means to cook food using dry heat in oven. If you cook something in oven by using oven like bread, cookies, pastries, everything we bake, cakes, we all those things we bake, and we do like that. The action is baking. And example sentences are: I will bake a cake for the party tomorrow. Great idea, everyone will love it. One person is telling that tomorrow it's a party like birthday party or anniversary party, and I'll be making a cake or I will be baking a cake. And the listener is telling that, yeah, everyone will be loving that. You do that. And now the next example sentence is: baking bread at home is so satisfying. I agree, and it smells amazing. One person is telling that, if I bake bread at home, bread means cookies or anything that is put in oven and making it like cooked. So one is telling that it's very satisfying. I get relaxed, relief in my mind. And the other person is replying that, yeah, not only that, it smells very good. Now the next word is stir. Stir means to mix ingredients in a circular motion using spoon or a similar utensil. Stir means what to and fro motion of the spoon inside the batter or curry or something, right? Inside the utensil. Let's see the example sentences. Don't forget to stir the soup while it is cooking. Got it? I'll keep an eye on it. One person is telling that you have to stir it. You have to move the liquid by stirring it, so that then only it will be cooking correctly. And the other person is replying that, yeah, sure, I'll do that. I'll always monitor the soup. And the next example is: you need to stir the batter gently to avoid lumps. Thanks for the tip. One person is telling that while you mix some batter or something, you have to stir very slowly and you have to stir continuously. Then only the lumps won't be coming. Otherwise, it will be getting so much of lumps in it. That is the thing. And the person is thanking to other person. Thank you so much for the tip. Now the next word is peel. Peel means to remove the outer skin or layer from fruits or vegetables. This to removing the outer layer of the fruits or vegetables. An example sentences are: can you peel the carrots for the salad? Of course, I'll do it now. That is, one person is asking, can you peel? Can you make the carrots clean by peeling, so that you can use it for salads? And the person is telling that, yeah, I'll do that. And the next example sentence is: I prefer to peel apples before making a pie. That makes it smoother, doesn't it? One chef, he might be a chef, he's telling that I usually peel the apples before making the smoothie so that it is good. And the listener is saying that, yeah, that is why your apple pies are very smooth, very smooth in texture. That is what you do, right? Okay, that is what is mentioned here. And now the next word is salt. Salt means to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter over heat. That means we are pouring a very small quantity of oil or butter or something, and we are putting this vegetables and like cooking it, for not cooking with water or oil or nothing, just what making it like roasted or sauteed, that is it. Make a quick cooking. Now the example sentences are: I'll salt the onions before adding the tomatoes to the soup. When to the sauce sounds good, it will bring out the flavor. The person is telling that I'll salt the onions before adding tomato sauce. I usually salt the onions, then that will bring a good taste and smell also. Now the next sentence is I'll salt garlic in olive oil to make it aromatic. That smells amazing. One person is telling that I'll usually salt. That means make it cook garlic in olive oil. That makes to release so much of aroma, and that smells very nice. And the next word is pour. Pour means to cause a liquid to flow from one container to another. That is to what from one container you are pouring it to another container. You are giving it to another container. That is it. And the example sentences are: Please pour the milk into the bowl for the recipe. Sure, I'll pour it slowly to avoid spilling. One person is telling that please pour milk to this particular bowl for the for making the recipe, and the other is replying that sure I'll do that, but now I want to take care of avoiding spilling. That is it. Next example sentences: I'll pour the soup into the serving bowls. Great, I'll get the spoons ready. One person is telling that the soup is ready and I'll pour it to the serving bowls, and the other person is replying, yeah, great, I'll get the spoon and cup. That is the usage of pour. Here is a vocabulary activity for day 22. What you have to do, you know it now, right? You have given 6 new words. You can start constructing sentences using each of the words,